Welcome guys to Engineer Vlog channel. Today we discuss about column size for different story buildings. This section is number of story. And this is size in or inches. The building is about 1 to 2 story. Then column size is 230 by 230 or 9 inches by 9 inches. It is about 1 to 3 story. First to third story building. Then 300 by 300 is about 12 inch by 12 inch. And building is about 1 to 10 story, then 750 by 750 or 30 inch by 30 inch. The building above 10 story, 1 to 20, therefore first floor to 7th floor column size is 800 by 800 is about 32 inch by 32 inch. 8 to 15 story, 1 to 7, 8 to 15, 16 to 20, therefore 8 to 15 is about 600 by 600 is about 24 inch by 24 inch. 16 to 20 column size is 450 by 450, it is about 18 inch by 18 inch. The building is about first floor to 13th floor, 34 floor building, therefore number of stories 1 to 10. The column size is about 850 by 850 or 34 by 34 inches. 11 to 20, 650 by 650 it is about 26 inch by 26, and 21 to 30 is about 755 into 475 into 475 is about 19 inches by 19 inch. Unit weight of construction material. This section is material and this is weight, kg per meter cube. Cement 1440 kg per meter cube. Steel 7850 kg per meter cube. PCC plain cement concrete about 2400 kg per meter cube, and RCC 2500 kg per meter cube. No, then water it is about 1000 kg per meter cube. Thank you. Please do subscribe.